Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in home decor.
Today, we have something truly special in store for you.
Feast your eyes on the Lahome Moroccan Trellis area rug, hailed as the best Harlequin rug available in the market. Crafted with precision and style in mind, this rug isn't just a piece of decor, it's a statement.
Let's dive into what makes this rug stand out from the rest. First up, let's talk about comfort.
Made with faux wool and boasting a medium pile height, stepping onto this rug feels like walking on clouds. It's the perfect addition to any space where you want to add a touch of luxury and coziness. But what about practicality?
Fear not.
This rug is not only soft but also machine washable, making it ideal for busy households with kids, pets, or frequent guests.
Simply toss it in the washing machine, and voila!
Hassle-free cleaning at its finest.
Safety first.
With its skid-resistant plastic backing, this rug stays firmly in place, protecting your floors from scuffs and scratches. Whether it's in the hallway, entryway, kitchen, or bedroom, this rug has you covered.
And let's not forget about style.
Inspired by iconic Moroccan designs, the retro textured diamond checkerboard pattern adds a touch of nostalgia and elegance to any room.
It's a timeless aesthetic that never goes out of fashion. So there you have it, folks. The Lahome Moroccan Trellis area rug, the epitome of comfort, durability, and style. Elevate your space and make a statement with this exquisite piece of decor. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy decorating!